everyone, welcome to Home Decor Hall, a dedicated YouTube channel for your dream home requirements. If you have any query, please mention it at comment section. In this video, you shall see kindergarten classroom decoration ideas. For more ideas, please click I button link above the video screen. If you are new to my channel, subscribe for regular updates. Kindergarten is a year full of surprise. For many children, this will be the first time they are expected to sit, listen and learn. And that alone can be challenging for some. On the first day of school, you may find that some new students experience separation, anxiety and don't want to leave their parents. Others are nervous about being away from home and meeting new friends. But if you can get them excited about their new learning space, you will see fewer tears and plenty of smiles. Filling the room with colorful decoration helps kindergarteners transition into the classroom environment. With vivid decor that brightens the room, they will instantly feel more welcome and ready to learn. Then, once your kindergarten cohort has acclimated to their new routine, you have the challenging task of maintaining the attention span of an entire classroom of 5 to 6 years old. When educators need to capture students' attention and teach them a new fact, they often use classroom decorations. Educational posters give children visual exposure to key concepts they will utilize throughout the year. Let's look at a few fun classroom decoration ideas and what you need to know about decorating a kindergarten classroom to motivate and engage young minds. I believe this video will help you to get better ideas to decor classroom. For latest updates, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.